Okay, here's what we know. We know that our outer reality is a reflection of what's going on inside of us. We know that when we experience pain, suffering, turmoil, challenges, low vibrations, it is reflected back into our outer reality by the universe. We know that when we are thinking perpetual thoughts about someone or something that we believe to be true, those thoughts are translated into the actions of someone playing out those roles. Before we continue, hi, I'm Trisha from Subconscious Food, and today we are talking about the relationship between our macrocosm and our microcosm. If you're new to the channel, Subconscious Food is all about empowering you to live your most happy, fulfilled, and abundant life. Let's pick up where we left off. Macrocosm and microcosm is a concept that's been deeply resonating with me recently, and I really feel its relevance for all of us right now. Many philosophers have conceptualized this idea and this concept, and Pythagoras was one of them, who saw the cosmos and the body as a harmonious unity. Every time I reflect on this concept, it provides such a powerful driving force inside of me, and this is one of the main reasons why I wanted to share this with you. In our lives, we can become so preoccupied with what's out there. We can avoid or even forget to look at what's inside of us and to use that as a starting place. I've come to realize that the peace I seek outside in my macrocosm, in my outer reality, in my universe, begins with the peace I seek within my microcosm, within my universe inside of me. The love, the light, the unity that we seek to bring to the world starts with bringing it to ourselves first. A great way to tap into this love frequency is every morning when you arise, thank Mama Gaia for everything she provides for us today, for her forgiveness, for the resources, for the love, for the pain, for the suffering that she goes through, and yet still gives us more and more and more, that she serves us every single day. Having this realization, especially when I'm going through something really challenging, helps me to sort of zoom out of my microcosm and look at the macrocosm and how everything is connected. It helps me to tap into the unification of all that is, and to see that our human experience will be filled with challenges. It will be filled with things that we need to overcome. And as we heal a part of our microcosm, in turn we heal a part of the macrocosm, our outer reality too. So this video was inspired to reassure you that through the challenges, through the pain, through the suffering, through anything that you're going through, something beautiful happens inside of you, and when it happens inside of you, it happens out there too. I hope this video serves you to the highest level. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's something I wanted to share with you. It's really helped me to, like I said earlier, zoom out of the challenges sometimes that I face, I can get really caught up in, and to realize that what I'm experiencing out there in my universe is actually what's going on inside of me, and vice versa. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the content. Peace, love, and blessings to your soul. Namaste. Bye.